Runway 18 active, wind 20010, gusting 15, altimeter 2994, cleared left base, runway 18.
Winnipeg Terminal, Foxtrot in the Yankee Juliet.
In the Yankee Juliet, clock it in. In the Yankee Juliet, identify, climb 5,500, VFR, proceed on course.
Climbing 5,500, proceed on course in the Yankee Juliet. Kenora radio, Foxtrot in the Yankee Juliet 5 to the northwest, descending to 2400, and we'll be crossing the midfield to join left, downwind 426.
Indy Yankee Juliet, roger, no conflicting traffic, report mid downwind.
We'll report mid downwind in the Yankee Juliet.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working.
Let's do the downwind check here. Primer lock, master switch, mags on both. Fuel on, no surprise with the fuse. Carb heat. Just to check, there's no icing in our carburetor here. All good. 2200, we're about to cross midfield. Hello, Kenora.
Radio, this is Hotel Alpha Foxtrot. I have traffic inside. I guess it's just joining his left down in facility. Hotel Officer Foxtrot, roger.
Kenora radio in the Yankee Juliet mid downwind 426, touch and go.
In the Yankee Juliet, roger, report final.
Here today is evidence of that.
Radio in the Yankee Juliet on final 426, that's new.
In the Yankee Juliet, roger. Our radio, Lima Alpha Zulu's on final for the water by Force helicopters. Lima Alpha Zulu, roger.
We are crabbing this way because the wind is going this way, 200, and the runway is 26. Look at that view. Isn't it nice? So those white lights right there, it's saying that apparently we're too high. It's better high than low.
Can radio, Hotel Alpha Foxtrot, turning final 26.
Hotel Oscar Foxtrot, roger.
Wow, look at this runway. It's too wide. It can carry.
Kenora, good evening. Kenora Golf, Quebec, November Juliet.
Tops up. Carburetor cold.
Kenora Golf, Quebec, November Juliet. Kenora, good evening.
Airspeed.
We are 35 to the north. We just canceled. Should be at the field in 7 minutes. Quebec, November Juliet.
Quebec, November Juliet, roger. Active runway is 26. Wind 200 at 9. Altimeter 3000. No conflicting traffic.
All right, Roger 26. Quebec, November Juliet.
Roger, runway 26.
On radio, Lima Alpha Zulu's on the water by Force helicopters.
Yes, we are, so we can take this 10 degrees flaps. Degrees.
India, Yankee Juliet, Turk, Little Hammer, warning.
Clear to land 18 in the Yankee Juliet. Thanks so much. Let's turn on the landing lights. Airspeed, between 60.
Ground, Hotel Alpha Foxtrot on Alpha, Apron 2.
Oscar Foxtrot, ground taxi via Bravo, Apron 2.
Ground, Apron 2, can you close my flight plan? SL, Hotel Alpha Foxtrot.
Oscar Foxtrot, affirmative flight plan closed.
That's our buddy Gavin already landed. Alright, let's land this. I want to exit Echo, so we better level up. We're level up, flare, there you go.